If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! Good day guys! So meron na naman tayong bagong package. And this one is another PSA return. So I think ano to batch 42 or 43 or 44. Anyways, I forgot, but yeah, here we go. So papalitan natin yung point of view natin para makita nyo yung buo. Ayan guys. Oops. Okay. Dito muna tayo sa medyo mabigat. Para makita natin. No, tabi muna natin to guys. Then ito unahin natin. With Meowth, Mega Latias, Litlen, Rowlet, Poplio. So ito sa pamangkin ko. Then we got two. So simulan natin dito guys. Ito ay PSA 10 Mega Gardevoir. Next, PSA 10 Japanese PSA 10. Dalawang PSA 10 na Japanese. PSA 8 Oricorio PSA 10 PSA 10 Espion PSA 10 PSA 8.5 Sabrinas Holon Cosmos PSA 5 PSA 10. So if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. You can drop off your cards at Cafe Manaya din guys. So next one, Gold Charizard PSA 9 Victini PSA 10 Mega Rayquaza PSA 7. So a lot of vintage guys is not good. Mid-era and vintage. PSA 9 din to. Ano ito? Phantasmal Flames. Mahirap din i-grade yung mga Phantasmal Flames cards. Kaya ang mamahal nila. Mimikyu. PSA 10 Pokemon Center. Nice. Moltres Zapdos. Jesse and James. And Umbreon. Lastly, Mega B-Max pala. Mega tuloy. So, sa Sword and Shield. B-Max. Next box. So, we got 2 boxes. This one is sick. Gold Anniversary Shanks PSA 10. PSA 10. Serialized Gogeta. PSA 6 Awaken Power Goku. Grabe no, 6. And a PRB2 Sanji. So these are the special ones. So yun lang guys.